Southern California normally has gentle weather. However, in April 2009, we had some rather unusual weather conditions. For 3 days, very strong winds blew from the northwest, creating some really big waves. On April 16th, the Coast Guard posted gale warnings, and we took a MacGregor 26 out of the Newport Boat Show and went sailing. Here's the Coast Guard gale warning as we left the harbor. The double red flags mean gale force winds 39 to 54 miles per hour. The camera boat was our MacGregor 70 Anthem, seen here in less violent conditions. Mike Inman, our Newport Beach dealer, and Jeff Inman, his son, sailed the 26. I'm Roger MacGregor. I skippered the 70 and took the pictures. Anthem's anemometer averaged about 42 miles per hour, true wind, with gusts of 51. Some of the waves appeared to be about 18 feet high. We found the biggest waves about 10 miles off the coast. This is one of those don't try this at home things. In a small boat, you don't want to mess around with an ocean this unruly. It's best to watch from the beach.
Go back a little, away from them.
This big wave startled me enough to make me drop the camera.
Yes.
We really don't recommend sailing in this heavy stuff. However, if you get caught out in nasty conditions, it might be reassuring to know that the boat has been out there and done that. When these big waves hit the beach, the California surfers will go totally crazy.
Right beside you.